Oh, hi there, everyone. I am your girl, Norleen. I will be doing another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. I will be doing steamed fish. Now, steamed fish is one of Jamaica's finest delight. It is believed to be an aphrodisiac, and the number one reason why we have so many picnic running around is flavorful. Jamaican men eat steamed fish because they believe it keeps their woman satisfied. They believe that it assists in procreation. Steamed fish is loved and eaten by almost everyone. It is done in a vegetable sauce and is accompanied with water crackers or any other side. They believe it gives them stamina. They believe that this dish is the number one dish, why they are known as the bedroom bully. I encourage you to like my video. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave your comment in the section below. Tell me your thoughts about this video or suggest other videos that you would like to see me prepare. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Follow the link, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come and subscribe to Wims 2020. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Okay, so it's going down in the kitchen. It's Friday afternoon, and I'm here to do me a quick little fixer me upper. I have here my vegetables, my bell pepper, red and green, tomatoes, my carrots. I have my garlic, onion, sliced tomato on the plate. I have my pumpkin ready, my green onions and garlic, salt, pepper, all-purpose, my blend season. Over this, there is by now you know in Jamaican kitchen, you got to have your coconut milk, your okra. Ha ha ha. The boss himself, Mr. Snapper, just waiting to go in the pot. Of course, we have a couple water crackers and see some slices of yam. It's gonna go down, and by now you should know what's gonna happen. It's steamed fish, Jamaican style at its best. People, another Dutch pot. I'm using a Dutch pot because I'm gonna do a sauce. I am going to do a sauce with the steamed fish, or when you steam the fish, you know Jamaican style, you have enough sauce on the fish. So I gotta use me my Dutch pot, my good old Dutchie. So I have garlic, green onion, and onion in the pot. I'm sauteing it, and to that I will add a cup of coconut milk, and I'm putting in my coconut milk now because for some persons who don't have high tolerance for coconut milk, I will allow it to cook for a little bit. So I put in my coconut milk, and of course I'm going to put in a cup of noodle stock, and I will cover that and boil for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of blended season, and at this point I'm just gonna add all the dry season. Okay, so after 5 minutes, this is what the coconut milk and the noodle stock looks like. I'm gonna add about 1.5 pounds of fish to the stock. Same time, I'm gonna add the carrots, and this is a quick cook, guys. This will not take long. It will take about 15 minutes. I'm gonna add all my vegetables. I don't want them to overcook, so I'm adding the fish and the vegetable at the same time. Yo, boy, coming like me, I run out of space in my pot star, but I go on nice still make some room for the vegetable. Make some room for them. And of course, it can't nice without some yam. I won't use all of the yam. I will use about half of it. I want them to. Yam steamed fish without the okra. See them there? I drop the okra them in it. So I'm gonna cover this. And yeah, I'll get back to you in 15 minutes. So after approximately 12 minutes, this is what we have. And I've added a tablespoon of butter, a little bit over a tablespoon of butter. And I will add a sprig of scallion and just some more fresh thyme. Some more fresh scallion, people. See it, that a green onion. Just add some fresh green onions to it. And then a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of black pepper. See it, just that. I'm just going to load the flame for about 2 more minutes. Just for the flavor of the thyme. Oh, you see scotch bonnet, I'm not bust it in people. I just make it stay enough for the flavor. Understand? I'm just going to use the fork and insert a little hole in it. See there? Just to get some of the flavors them for seep out. Now the steamed fish. Now, a lot of Jamaican men love the steamed fish, you know, because them say when them get the steamed fish, somebody are going to cry tonight. Well, I don't know who are going to cry tonight, you know, but see it there? Grab yourself some vegetable. Grab yourself some snapper. I'm going to add in the 2 crackers in it now. And just low it, make it simmer. There it is. I've added the crackers to it. Now guys, this is a noodle that I'm talking about. So don't go to the shop and go buy yourself some spaghetti or something. This is the Grace cut noodle soup. Them have pumpkin flavor. They have fish flavor. Them have ram goat soup it up flavor. And you can choose any of the fish or the cock soup to use for your noodle stock. And of course, the good old Excelsior water cracker. We don't want the flavor one, not the cinnamon one. The plain old water cracker. And it's done. See it there? 15 minutes in the kitchen. The pot ready. The steamed fish ready. Baby, I gonna make. See it there? Nice and good. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. You young people who want to straighten up your back. It's lovely, isn't it? I hope you enjoy this experience with me. This is another of my mother's recipe from my pot onto my daughter's table. I encourage you to like my video, subscribe to my channel, please, please, guys. And of course, leave a comment in the section below. Tell me Jamaican dish that you'd like to see me prepare, or leave just a positive comment about this video. Thank you.